Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something pretty unique. Yeah, there's only one of these guys, sharp by design, Nadeau, Tempest, custom. Gonna just check out the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. But as usual, guys, you know what you can do. As you wait for me to start talking about this, why don't you like, subscribe, leave me a comment, check out fablades.com. Also, you can check out at Fablades on Instagram. So let's go ahead, check this bad boy out, because yeah, this is a big guy, almost 9 inches in length, with a 4-inch long blade and 3 3/4 inches of the cutting edge and 5 for the handle. But you know what? Look at this. 10 centimeters for the blade and 12 centimeters for the blade, for an overall length of 22.5. But how this compares like to Cody Utzler duckling or duck? How about that? Look at this. That's a big guy right there. I mean, Shilogorov Custom Division Hattie Magnetic is not a small one as the Neon NL, but yeah, the Tempest is a big boy. Void XL, of course, from brand Nadeau, is still smaller than that, and the Drifter, of course, from Skiff Knives, is not bigger, nor are the two holds that I'm showing to you right over here, Spectre and Haptic. Yeah, this is a big boy right there. But anyways, these were just like things I wanted to check you out. So I want you to check out. So what is this, guys? This is some really cool and unique knife right there. Tempest, sharp by design, Nadeau. This is a titanium frame lock, made in US. Very expensive knife. There is only one made of this, of these, and check the milling work going on, like checkered pattern on the center. You have some stripes going on at the extremities. You have a custom pivot, of course. You have some beautiful chamfers on the edges and on the inside. This thing is internally skeletonized, so to reduce some weight, of course. Titanium blasted scales are guys, I mean, yeah, I'll let you just admire this milling work going on over here, because it's just like nuts. It's just crazy. So you get also like 2-finger grooves right over here. Very, very cool. Beside these amazing 3D millings, of course. Titanium satin backspacer, which is a little bit indented. You see, it's not like completely flush, but it's like a stylistic choice. Blade perfectly centered and perfectly recessed, super safely down there. There is no lanyard hole option for you over here, unless you want to pass something, but yeah, you won't. It's pretty cool, guys. I mean, I have to say, like, even when closed, the lines are very nicely flowing. You have a pointy flipper tab sticking out, nicely chamfered. It's pointy, like, of course, if you do like a push button like that, yeah, it's gonna be, but like that, ooh, that's very, very satisfying for sure. You get simple construction, handle screw, you get pivot here, but I don't have the tool to take this guy apart, and I will not touch this because I'm gonna risk to mess it up, and this is just gonna stay like this because there's no need for maintenance as of now, but you can always send it to Brian. He's gonna be able to fix it up if you have any issues. Pretty stand-up guy, so yeah, check out his work. Right over here you have also a stainless steel lock face insert screwed in from the outside, sticking out, as you can see. Look at this very peculiar design. That is also embedding the detent, which is that triangular area going on right over there. So it has an integrated detent ball ramp, let's say, on the detent itself, because it's like shaped as a wedge kind of thing. I know you see there, right there. So that is contributing probably to a little bit of, you see, like there's a little bit of lash before, you see, before you release the blade, but I mean, not a biggie for sure. You have also a nice, pretty cool hidden hardware tip-up carry only pocket clip in titanium satin finish and milled to perfection. I have to say, this clip is like pretty stiff and the entrance ramp is a little bit too short. So it works well to going out, but going in, you have to work your way in. And also, as you can see, the clip has like a low profile because it's sitting into a pocket and is not sitting on the lock bar, which is a fantastic thing. Also, a gorgeous thing is this external cutout for the lock bar tension, which has been done to this level right over here, which is just incredible. I really like this this design right over here. Some reminds me of Lee Williams, some Lee Williams, yeah. But anyways, check it out, guys. Check this blade. I mean, this is one of the coolest blade around. I never see milling on the flats and on the swedge, which interrupts, and this kind of creates like a faux sanmai affair going on. You have like a milled jacket and a satin core in this faux sanmai blade going on. You have some nice aggressive jimping chamfered on the sides beautifully. The dual tone finish is something spectacular, pure genius in doing this hand rub satin, and the oblique milling going on very thin behind the edge. You only get to see BN Brian Nadeau initials on the back, so no billboarding whatsoever going on. So let's just zero that thing, and you're gonna get 0.1585 for the stock thickness, and behind the edge this thing is like 0.01. So yeah, this thing is slicey, flat grind. It is just like, ooh, fantastic blade. One of the coolest looking blade in the business. Really, Brian, you killed it. It's just gorgeous. Yeah, love it. So also what I love about this fella is this sound right over here. Very cool opening. Clack, clack, double clutch kind of thing. And oh, guys, this is really pleasant. Very, very cool. Also, it's not too bad. Like the weight is not too crazy. We get, let's see, in grams, you're gonna get 140 grams, which translates to 4.95 ounces in your pocket. So it's not a super lightweight, but still below 5 ounces. It is a big knife, guys. So it is well contained at the end of the day. Also, well contained are the hotspots, because you can squeeze this handle as much as you like, and it's so well rounded off that it's gonna basically melt with your hand, and it's just great. So 0 hotspots. You have a little bit of a small area here to disengage the lock bar, which is something that happens also on the void right over here. I mean, you can access, but you have to angle the finger like that, so not a biggie, but it's just maybe like a nitpick. It's accessible, but usually I prefer a little bit more area here, but still feels really good in the hand. The texturing is gonna add a fantastic grip, so no slipperiness going on for this fella. Fit and finish, just spectacular. There's nothing wrong, no misalignment, nothing is, I mean, blades rock solid. The clip is a little bit stiff. Fit and finish is stunning, guys. You get, of course, like a pointy flipper tab. That's in this style. Just don't do a push button. Just stick with the light switch deployment method, and you're gonna be a happy camper. So yeah, pretty cool. You have, of course, a pivot system which is employing bearings. In this case, the action, you see, it doesn't drop shut. The lock bar tension is probably strong, like a little bit high, so you don't have any like free fall. You see, you have to wiggle a little bit, but this knife is so good that I don't even care about that. It's so unique, it's so nicely done that I can oversee like not an ideal action. There's no sheer action going on over here, so I'm just speculating this lock bar tension is probably too strong, but still great double clutch deployment action, fantastic design, one of the coolest blade in the business for sure. Milling, very, very high level game going on right there. So I really like this Tempest by Brian Nadeau. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And thanks for watching. And stay tuned.